Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic name is give and take part 2 from class 3 maths NCERT book. You can watch starting chapters using the links given in the description. So let's start with our video. Here if you look at this 37 and you want to add 10, we'll get 47. We'll see how we can add 10 to any number in this table. So remember one rule, if you add 10 you will reach to above row with the same number. Okay, so it is 1 and if you add 10 to 1 you will get 11. Similarly, if you add 10 to 46 you reach to 56. If you add 10 to 77 you reach to 87. So adding 10 is easier task, right? So in 89 if you add 10 you reach to 99, 59 you add 10 you reach to 69, 62 you add 10 you reach to 72. So that's how you can add 10. Similarly, if you subtract 10, you will move one row down. So in 95 you subtract 10, you will reach to 85. 98 you subtract 10, you will reach to 88. 56 you subtract 10, you will reach to 46. So using this approach, we'll start solving the questions. 37 we want to add 9. See how we can do it. 9 we can write it at 10 minus 1. So here is 9. Here is 10. If you subtract 1 from 10, you reach to 9, right? So what we did, 9, we wrote it like 10 minus 1. Then what we will do, we'll first add 10 and 37. And you remember, if we add 10 to 37, we reach to 47. And we will subtract 1, we'll reach to 46. So that's how we can add 9 to 37. So your answer will be 46. Let's see next example. It is saying 65 minus 30. We'll mark these numbers in this table. This is 65 and we want to subtract 30. So if you subtract 30, if you subtract 10, 20, 30, that's how you can subtract and will reach to 35. 35 will be your answer. Next example, 46 plus 21. Again 21 you can write it like 20 plus 1. So what we can do, we can add 46 and 20 first, then we'll add 1 later, right? And here is also given this question, will it be easier to go to 46 plus 20 first? So here is 46 and we want to add 21. First we'll add 20, so 10, 20 and 21. That's how we can add. We will get 67. Hope this is easier. Let's move to next question. 87 if you subtract 30, how much we will get? Here is 87. We want to subtract 30. 10, 20, 30. We will get 57. So here is the answer, 57. Next example. 66. How much we have to subtract to reach to 11? This is 11. This is 66. Now question is, in 66 how much we have to subtract to reach to 11? Another way to do it, we can add something to 11 and reach to 66. Now we'll figure out how much we have to add. Okay, so we'll try with this approach. Here is 11, here is 66. We'll try to reach from 11 to 66 and see how many numbers we have to count. If you count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, see we cannot move to up row, it will give us 77. We want to reach to 66, so we'll point out this row. So till this point we counted 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So this will give us 55. So after 55 steps we can reach to 66 from 11. Okay, let's see next example. How much we have to add in 9 to reach to 36? We'll mark these two numbers. Here is 9, here is 36. And how much we have to add in 9 to reach to 36? If you add 10, 20, I'm not adding 10 more, or I'm not reaching to 30. I'll stay at 20 and we'll start counting one by one. So this is 10, 20, 21, and from 30 to 31 it is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So that's how you can reach to 36 after 9. So what we did, we'll look at this problem again. This is 9, this is 36. If you move 10, 20, 21, and from 30 to 31, it is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So answer will be 27. Next example, 45. How much we have to add to reach to 99? This is 45, this is 99. Sorry, this is 45, this is 99. Let's try to jump 10 by 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So after adding 54, we'll reach to 99. Next example, in 40, how much we have to add to reach to 76? We mark these numbers. This is 40, we want to reach to 76. So 10, 20, 30. We don't want to reach to this, so we won't add 10 more. Now we'll start counting one by one. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So answer will be 36. Next example, in what number we have to add 26 to reach to 75? This is 26, we want to reach to 75. Again, this is easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here we are moving left. So after 50 we are subtracting 1. So we'll get 49. Next example, in 50 how much we have to add to get 98? Again we'll mark these two numbers. Here is 50, we want to reach to 98. Remember, if we are reaching to this number and moving left, it means we are subtracting 1 in each step. This is 50, this is 98. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, minus 1, 49, again minus 1, 48. We'll get 48. Next example, in what number we have to subtract 21 to reach to 35? This is different example. Here we have given 35, but they are saying in which number we have to subtract 21. So from above number, because above numbers are a bigger number. So in bigger number, if you subtract 21, then only you will get 35, right? So how to get that number? For this type of question, you have to add 21 into 35. If you add 21, 10, 20, 21, we got 56. So 56 will be answer. Next example. This is same kind of example. Here is a bigger number. So if you look at this example, in what number if you subtract 3, you get 2. So here is 3, and what number, but we want to reach to 2. So here is 2. So here is 2, and in what number if you subtract 3? If you add 3 to 2, 1, 2, 3, you get that number, okay? So from 5, if you count 3 steps back, 1, 2, 3, you get to 2. So that's how you can look at this problem. This is little different. Next question, if you look at this question, this is 57, we want to reach to 20. In 57, how much we have to subtract? This one is easy, 57, and we want to reach to 20. From 57, if you subtract 10, 20, 30, you will reach to 27. And if you subtract 40, you reach to 17. So we subtracted 40 and we reached to 17. Then 1, 2, 3 steps. We have to subtract more. So 37 will be your answer. Right? It is again in similar way, like if you subtract 20 from 57, you get this number. So here is 57, 10, 20, you get to 37. So this is how you can calculate this. So that's it for this video. I hope it was fun playing with the numbers. And also one point to note here, the purpose of showing the numbers in the table format, where we have shown 10 numbers in 10 rows, and in each row we kept 10 numbers. So in each row we kept 10 numbers, right? This is the way to look at the numbering. If you observe the number from 1 to 10, these 10 numbers follow similar sequences as the numbers above row.